First time building a PC. This is not a tutorial. I did not know what I was doing. I mostly relied on YouTube tutorials, so check those out if you are going to build your own PC. This is my motherboard. I have probably overpaid for aesthetics. It looks like a spaceship. It kind of makes me think of a stormtrooper, not gonna lie. We got the AMD Ryzen. Ooh, you really have to push. Okay, there we go. Alright. Gently. Okay, popped out. Alright, we have to keep this because apparently if it doesn't work, I'll have to give it back to them. Right. Oh, the RAM. Yeah, oh my god, the RGBs. So we have 2 of these. All in all, 32 gigs. These were on sale. The white ones, if I wanted an all-white build, was like $30 more expensive. So I was like, you know what? Doesn't matter. We're getting the black ones. It's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wait. Yeah, I can see it right there. It also says that over there. Now the thing is the direction. It's supposed to snap. It's not snapping. What are we doing wrong here? That popped out really easily. Oh, also, there's a sticker on this. Dang it. Jeez. Here I thought this was going to be the easiest part, and it isn't. Because it, like, snags a little bit on this part, and this is what I don't like about that. Okay, it's in. Now I have to do the other one. Gosh, I did not think the RAM was going to come with stickers. I know that the coolers do, but... as well as the heat sinks, but not the RAM. Okay, there we go. This is 1 and 3. Alright. And then here is the sticky. Oh, yeah, it is magnetic. Wait a second, I just put it in the wrong slot. It could have gone up. Dig it. So I'm gonna put it where the heatsink is. Let's try that again. People make this look so easy, but there's a lot of resistance. These are SATA cables. I don't think we're gonna need SATA cables because no hard disk drives, and my SSD is that. Oh, and I don't think the AIO cooler uses it either. The fans don't make a lot of sense. They push this way instead of that way. So we'll see what's going on. I do not have to install IO shield. It already comes with it. Standoffs. Okay, so these are the standoffs. All right, we're putting it
with the intent of making the antenna through here.
Yeah, you can. Oh, you snagged a cable back here.
Ooh.
Oh, theoretically, it will not fall out if we flip it upwards.
Theoretically.
Theoretically. Alright. Building the rest off stream, yeah, but I'm gonna try to record it. And hopefully everything works. Hopefully. Bye. a light, a red light, and then the top fans weren't running. So I had to go and troubleshoot a lot of stuff. So, a week later, it is still running. I've been using it for a few days, smooth as butter compared to my old computer. It took a lot of time and some stress, but it was worth it to me. Well, thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully see y'all in the next one. Bye!